In front of me is REALME Q2, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the list of all apps and go to the settings. Now reach language and region and go to language. And here smoothly pick the language that you would like to apply. So we can pick, for example, Portuguese, tap on done, and change system language to Portuguese. And that's it. As you can see, from now on the whole device is in Portuguese, so you can smoothly use your phone in this new language. And then if you would like to change it again, you have to reach the settings, find and select language and region, go to language and smoothly mark the one that you want to apply right now, confirm it, click that you want to set it as a system language, and that's it. Now you're back in English, so this is in my case. And that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.